Angel.
Mwah. Good to see you.
Always
too.
a pleasure. This is really exciting. What we're talking about is seasonal.
Yes.
Beautiful Temp-tations, and this is not one piece, this is two. This is brand new tonight.
Brand new tonight, and a request by all of you for more seasonal. So what I love about it is two of the great pieces that you're going to use during all your summer entertaining, whether it's just you and the family, whether you're having guests over. First and foremost, we start with a tray. Whether you're putting your ribs, your burgers, your hot dogs, everything that you're going to need. We have a beautiful fluted edge that runs all the way around. I think this tray is absolutely stunning. You have a nice interior here, but notice also by the silhouette, everything's going to stay put. So those sauces, those gravies, all of those things we love around summertime will stay in place. And then we included our 1-quart bowl. So think about that for all of your mayonnaise-based pasta salads, potato salads, coleslaws, everything you can possibly need. I love the combo of a tray and a bowl coming together.
Now, I would tell you that we only have 4 choices tonight because these are seasonal choices. When they're gone until next year this time. That is if we're able to bring them back at all. Now, this is called Firework. This is floral lace, and it's called Firework.
Because, baby, you're what?
In the Firework, we have fewer than 800 now to go around.
Okay.
Baby, you are a firework. All right, this is Firework Fetty. Fewer than 800 here.
Wow.
This is summer, and I love this in floral lace with the seashells. It just looks like the ocean blue. 700 to go around in ocean, and then the new pattern that I am really falling in love with is called Ocean Fetty. I have fewer than 500 of these to go around. Remember, you're getting not only the platter, you're also getting the scalloped bowl. The scalloping matches the scalloping on the platter.
Yes, and again, useful pieces, and as David was mentioning, and I love that we can brag on the patterns a little bit. Usually we're rushing through all the different colors. This to me is like sea glass. So if you love your lavenders and your teals and your lime greens, that's perfect. My mom actually collects now the summer, which is really fun. She keeps it out all year round because she loves the different colors. And then of course Americana, when you're thinking about barbecuing, you're thinking about getting the family together. These are going to be perfect. Old World has the braided detail around the edges. Floral Lace has the beading. If you're new to Temp-tations, you can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. So both of these pieces go in the oven. So if you're grilling and you want to keep those burgers nice and warm, tuck them in the oven, no worries. If you want to put it in the fridge or the freezer, you can do that. You can put them in the microwave when you want to reheat. And the best part, and David's favorite part, it all goes right in the dishwasher.
400 of these are already gone. Now, if you love this on 4 easy payments but would prefer 5, use your Q card. Use that Q card tonight on anything you buy on air and online, and you got 5 easy payments, any item you want. That's a really exciting thing. So remember, we only have 3 days left on our Easy Pay every day. For the whole month of June, we were doing everything on 3 pay or more. That's any card you use. 5 pay if you use your Q card. I would also remind you that at end of day Sunday, which is the 30th of June, our birthday celebration is over, and so goes the every item on Easy Pay. Now, take a look here as we get ready to celebrate our nation's birthday next week. We're really decked out in the red, the white, and the blue.
I love that. So first of all, we came right out of the fridge with our fruit salad. So remember, everything will stay colder longer. It'll stay hotter longer. And that's the beauty of cooking with stoneware, because the heat actually hugs your food. Yeah, a little dollop of Cool Whip right there.
A little dollop of whip topping right on top of that fruit. That's what I'm talking about.
And then Maureen, our food stylist, did this beautiful cake that she decorated with that gorgeous fondant. She piped a little of the Cool Whip, some berries right around the edges, and that literally looks like a store-bought cake, something that you would have spent hours and hours upon, and she made it herself and decorated it on the platter.
Can I tell you that in that Firework now, we have fewer than 500 to go around in Firework, and that one is going quickly. Remember, you're getting 2 pieces here, the bowl and the platter. The capacity of the bowl is?
Yeah, 1 quart.
1 quart.
Yes, and then of course you have that beautiful platter. You probably have the measurements. I'm not exactly sure.
I do.
It's 16-inch or larger, but
it is.
And it's a nice wide.
1 and 5/8 of an inch high. 11 by 3/8 inch wide. By 17 3/8 of an inch long.
That's huge, right? 17 by 11. Thank you for that. I didn't want to misquote it. But look how cute we did here. Decorations. We did some adorable little crab cupcakes. Can we just talk about how stinking cute this cookie is? Where we put one of those little teddy bear crackers in one of those little life preserver rings with one of those fishies that we know about, piped a little icing on it, and you have adorable stinking cute summer cookies.
I love it.
They're great.
This is 4 easy payments of $9.64. I do want to review your choices again, reminding you that these are all seasonal. This is the only order of the year. If we sell out of anything tonight, it'll be a year from now before we can see it again. That is if we see it again at all. This is Firework in floral lace. Blue bowl and red platter, fewer than 400 now in firework. This is firework Fetty, fewer than 700. This is called summer, fewer than 600. And then finally, I have the ocean Fetty for you, fewer than 500. If some of you are looking at these patriotic ones and you're saying to yourself, well, my goodness, 4th of July will be here and gone by the time this arrives. Don't we celebrate Americana all year long?
I do.
I think I do too. I know I do too. And so this is what would be perfect for the remainder of summer, right into fall and winter, because we're celebrating our nation's colors every single day of the year.
And if you're picking up more than one, here's the beauty of Temp-tations and why I design it the way that I do. I don't want it to take up a lot of space, so you can go ahead and nest them into each other. So again, even if you're picking up both options in that Americana, look how fun it is to kind of mix and match and have some fun. Again, platters, bowls, the necessity when we're entertaining inside and outside all summer long, and to your point, all year long actually.
800 of these are now gone, but remember, the only order of the year. You're looking at it. This is why you want to get yours now while the getting is good. This is K49053. I know a lot of you start making purchases after the presentation is over. I do want to let you know that of the 4 choices, firework, I believe, is the most limited. Now fewer than 400 to go around.
Okay.
Really, really popular. A total of over 800 gone now. This is K49053. Join Tara tonight between 10 and midnight, or is it?
Yep, 10 and midnight.
10 and midnight.
Yes.
She will be there with kitchen clearance.
Yes, on QVC2.
On QVC2.
Okay.
Mwah.
I'll see you soon.
Okay, Miss Allie Carr is going to let you know what's coming up in less than 10 minutes time, and she's all steamed up about it.
Well, we do have a birthday surprise.